Fresh mint makes a world of difference in this mint and lemon iced tea, and you will be surprised at how rich the flavor of this drink is. To make it, you would want to start by boiling some water in a pot. Add in the black tea bags and mint leaves. Then let them brew for 5 minutes. Afterwards, remove the tea bags and mint leaves, then pour the mixture into a pitcher. Add in the granulated sugar, lemon juice, and cool water. Then stir until the sugar dissolves. Pour into tall glasses. Garnish with lemon slices and mint leaves, and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.